Hi guys, it's Gina again with ShopCouture, and I'm here to discuss about how to navigate our amazing digital platform. It's very user-friendly, very easy, so this is how you do it. So you want to go ahead and create a username. You're going to use your tax ID number to create your login. From there, you're able to navigate through all of our brands. Again, our 40 plus brands that we have available for you. You can even go and pick if you wanted to with accessories and whatnot. But other than that, you just remember that each of our brands come from certain factories, and just to notate that, the line sheets are available. You can do multiple orders. If you have any questions or you're still unable to kind of get anything going, just feel free to contact us. We are on standby 365 days out of the year to help you. So again, ShopCouture online.